Hello everyone, welcome back to our English class. Today we will revise the next chapter of English grammar, that is homophones. Let us see what does it stand for. Here homo means same and phones means sound. So what homophones are? A pair of words which have the same sound but different meanings. Students, in order to make our learning more practical and exciting, there will be many photos and real life examples which will help us to understand the difference between the two words in a very crystal clear way. Let us revise the list of words with their meanings which are pronounced the same as another words but differ in meaning. The first pair of homophone is principal, Principal, which means the head of the school or college. For example, Mr. Adhikari, who is the principal of our school, the Rajkumar College, Rajkot. It is commonly used to share the designation, and its homophone is principal, Principle, which you commonly come across while studying value education and scientific theories. That means a belief. All of you must have come across this pair of words, but still, I have observed many students are confused in formal letter writing when they have to write salutation. So, please don't commit the mistake of ending the spellings with LE. It is AL. I hope you have understood it. Let us move forward. Hey students, are you enjoying the rain? I certainly am. Rajkot has already received its pre-monsoon shower. Yes, this is a word which comes next in our homophone list, which makes the homophone pair with REIGN, the word rain. So, the first word which makes us feel about thunder and lightning. And the second word you must have learnt in history when we refer to the rule of a king or queen belonging to some dynasty in the medieval India. Isn't it? So please take a note of these words RAIN, rain, or REIGN, rain. Let's move forward. So, our next pair in the list is WRITE, write, which means to make words, letters, etc., especially on a paper using a pen or pencil. It is a very common word used in writing on a book or notebook, and its homophone pair is RIGHT, right, which means correct or the right side of direction. We usually hear this word in indicating the directions like left side or right side. So here RIGHT is used for showing anybody the direction. I hope this pair is clear to all of you. Let's move forward. Our next word in the homophone list is sight. CITE, sight, SITE site and SIGHT also site. Let's see what do these words stand for. CITE site means to bring someone's attention to a fact when giving an example, and it is also used to provide complete information about the source. Yes. For example, he cited an example to clarify his answer. The second word SITE site means a place or location where something happened. Its usage in the sentence says they visited the site of their future house, right? And the third word SIGHT acts as noun and verb. If it acts as a noun, it means the ability to see. But if it acts as a verb, then it means to see something. Usage in sentence. How can we use SIGHT in the sentence? My sight is failing and I can't see to read anymore. So this was all about sight. Hope you have understood the difference between CITE, SITE and SIGHT. It is very important homophone. Please make a note of these all the meanings and remember it. Our next word in the homophone list is straight. STRAIGHT and STRAIT. STRAIGHT is an adjective. As I told you in the last slide also, that you must remember the parts of speech also, which will help you a lot in forming the sentences, right? So STRAIGHT, straight, acts as an adjective, which means with no bends or curves, going in one direction. Yes, in one direction. How do you use this word in the sentences? Many ways to use this word in sentences, but do remember that this word should be used as an adjective. Like after dinner, we went straight back to our house. And it's homophone STRAIT, that means a narrow piece of sea that joins two larger seas. You must have heard about this word STRAIT in geography. And the major states of the world are Park Strait, PALK, Park Strait, Otranto Strait, and Cook Strait. This is very important pair of homophone words. Please do remember it. The next pair of words in the list is PEACE, peace, and PIECE, peace. PEACE is a noun. It means a sense of calm and the absence of war. Yes. And children, you must have heard that there are 20 world organizations that strive to establish world peace, like United Nations, UNESCO, United Nations Security Council, and so many others. PIECE, peace, means a part of something. We usually use this word in the sentence as I want to have a piece of cake and piece of anything that you eat. The next pair is soul, SOLE, and SOUL. SOLE, soul, is an adjective which means only or belonging to one person only. The sole aim of education is to make us independent and well settled in the life. And its homophone is SOUL. That means the spirit of a living creature. SOUL, soul, is a noun. Yes, it is a noun, and our soul is a part of us that consists of our mind, character, and thoughts. So we should make our soul clean and pure. Eighth pair is sale, S-A-L-E, sale, and S-A-I-L, sale. S-A-L-E, sale is a noun. That means the selling of something. Students, you must have heard about end of season sale, property sale, clearance sale, and moreover, Flipkart sale, Amazon sale, and Myntra sale. Yes, we can buy any product over these platforms. And the other homophone of SALE is SAIL, to go on journey on water. Many of us must be loving to sail around the world, isn't it? Yes. So that is SAIL, sail. The next pair is vain, 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 and VEIN, vain. VAIN, vain is an adjective that means hopeless, without result, and too proud of your own abilities. You must have heard about the story of clever fox, in which the fox was very proud, and when she could not get the grapes from the vine, which was very high, she said, "The grapes are sour." So, we should not have vain on our abilities ever. Yes, and the other vein, 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 is a noun, and it is a blood vessel through which the blood flows back to the heart. Yes, so this is the difference between VAIN and VEIN. So the 10th pair of homophone is knight, KNIGHT, which means a man who served his sovereign or lord as a mounted soldier in armor. You must have seen this knight in some or the other cartoon programs, right? And its homophone pair is NIGHT, night. That means the period from sunset to sunrise in each 24 hours. And children, you must have studied it in geography that rotation of the earth causes day and night. I hope the difference between KNIGHT and NIGHT is understood to all of you. Now we will move on to the exercises. So let's start. Exercise A. Rewrite the following sentences to make them meaningful by replacing one of the words with its homophone. Number 1. Charles Dickens is the author of the book A Tale of Two Cities. Here, the spellings of tale, T-A-I-L, tale, is not appropriate according to the sentence. So the right spelling should be T-A-L-E, tale. Right answer should be A Tale of Two Cities. Number 2. Abhimanyu was Arjun's son. Here, the spellings of S-U-N, son, is not appropriate according to the sentence. So the correct spelling should be S-O-N, son. Arjun's son. I hope the difference between son, S-U-N, and S-O-N, son, is very much clear to all of you. Number 3. Let's all pray for peace in the world. Here, the spellings of pray is not up to the mark. We have to correct it and replace it with the homophone of P-R-E-Y, pray. So the correct spelling of pray should be P-R-A-Y, which is actually appropriate and meaningful according to the sentence. Let's all P-R-A-Y, pray for peace in the world. Number 4. Something is written on the window pane. Here, pane stands for, P-A-I-N, pane, stands for unpleasant feelings for having pain in some part of our body, which is not appropriate to this sentence. So the correct answer should be P-A-N-E, pain, right? So the correct answer, we should again repeat, something is written on the window, P-A-N-E, pain. Number 5, it takes 3 hours to fly from Delhi to Chennai. OURS hours. It is not appropriate to this sentence as OURS is a possessive pronoun. So the correct answer which is required to be written is HOURS. Now, number 6. Can you count the hair on your head? Question mark. Children, you must have heard the story of Hare and Tortoise. Yes, in which Hare runs very fast, but because of his overconfidence, he loses to the slow moving tortoise. So, by collecting this famous storyline, you must have understood what a hare is. So, what should be the correct answer here? Can you count the HAIR, hair on your head? Not HARE. Right. Now, number 7. The teacher ordered ice cream for the whole class. HOLE, whole. The correct answer should be WHOLE, whole class. Number 8. Our maid does not know how to cook? Question mark. This maid means when we make something. Here, the cook does not know how to make something. So the correct answer should be MAID. MAID, maid does not know how to cook. Let's move to the next question. Number 9. What is a taxi fare from your home to your office? Here, FAIR, fare stands for appropriate and acceptable in a particular situation, which is not exactly what is required according to this sentence. So the correct word should be FARE, fare. Number 10. The sale of tobacco products is banned here. In this sentence, sale, SAIL, sale, stands for a piece of material extended on a mast to catch the wind and propel a boat or ship, which is not for tobacco. So the correct answer should be SALE, sale. So the right answer should be SALE, sale of tobacco product is banned here. Number 11. This bridge is made of steel. STEAL, steel. Steel means to take something from a person, shop, etc. without permission and without intending to return it. So what exactly requires here is STEEL, steel. This bridge is made of STEEL, steel. Number 12. Can there be a temple without an idol? No, ideally is entirely wrong. Here, the appropriate word requires IDOL, as IDLE means very lazy, avoiding work, who doesn't like to do anything. So the correct word which is required to be written in this sentence is IDOL, idol. Can there be a temple without an idol? Number 13. I have read somewhere what a male seahorse gives birth to babies. Let me repeat. I have read somewhere that a male, MAIL, male seahorse gives birth to babies. So the right answer should be MALE, because MAIL means the system for collecting and sending letters. So the correct answer should be MALE, male seahorse gives birth to babies. Number 14. Please tell me the route from GT colony to Pantnagar. So here, route, you all know, this is a scientific word which is used in plants. So the right word here is ROUTE, root. ROOT, root stands for the part of a plant that grows under the ground and takes in water and food from soil. So the correct word should be ROUTE, root, from GT colony to Pantnagar. Number 15, most religions talk about the soul. SOLE, soul. No, it is not the right word here. Soul stands for SOLE, soul means only or belonging to one person. And exact answer should be SOUL. Most religions talk about the SOUL, soul. Yes. Number 16, you are right. Suleiman is a doctor. No, this right, WRITE, which is written in this sentence, means for to make words, letters on paper using a pen or pencil, which is not exactly what is required here, RIGHT, in this sentence. So I hope you have all corrected the answers. Now we will proceed to the next exercise. So students, in the last exercise, we have corrected the wrong words, which were not apt and appropriate according to the given sentences. So in this exercise B, we have to write homophones of the words given below, and I will also share the meaning of their homophones. So let's start. Number 1, LESSON. Its homophone is LESSEN, which means to make something less, or we can also say to reduce something. Number 2, BLEW. Its homophone is BLUE. Its meaning is having the color of a clear sky when the sun shines. Number 3, HIGH. Yes, its homophone is HI. It is an informal word used when you meet somebody or you know very well, as you say hi to your friends regularly when you meet them in the school. Number 4, EYEI. Its homophone is only I. That is a personal pronoun. Number 5, STAIR. Its homophone is STARE. Yes, that means to look fixedly, often with wide open eyes, and we don't like if somebody stares at us, right? Next homophone is SERIAL. Its homophone is CEREAL. So what is it? Any guess? Yes, it means it is one type of the grain which can be eaten, and it is the part of our daily meal, right? So number 7 is BUY, by, and its homophone is BY. It means after a short period of time. Number 8, HEARD, herd, and its homophone, yes, HERD, which is a collective noun used for a large animals, like we use a herd of cattle or elephants. Number 9, MAIL. Its homophone is MALE, which is used for indicating the gender, like male or female. Yes. Number 10, MEAT, meat. Its homophone would be MEAT. That means animal's flesh, which is eaten as food, right? Number 11, BEAR, bear. Its homophone is BARE. Yes, which means not covered by clothing. Any part of your body which is not covered is called bare. Yes. Number 12, H-E-R-E. Here, its homophone is H-E-A-R. Here, its meaning is to perceive sounds with your ears. I hope the meanings are getting clear to everyone. Sure? Right. Number 13, D-E-A-R. Its homophone is D-E-E-R. Deer. What is it? Deer. What is it? Yes, it is a large wild grass-eating animal. Number 14, S-O-A-R. Its homophone would be S-O-R-E. It is like a part of the body which is very painful. S-O-R-E, sore. Number 15, T-H-E-R-E, which is used for the place. Usually we say here and there, right? So its homophone would be T-H-E-I-R, there. That means belonging to or associated with the people. Yes. Next is W-E-I-G-H-T. I hope everybody knows his weight. Yes, 50 kg, 55 kg, right? So its homophone would be W-A-I-T, weight. It's for to stay in a particular place and not doing something until that person or someone arrives. That means W-A-I-T. Yes. Number 17, S-E-A. What is it? S-E-A? Yes. Its homophone would be S-E-E. To look at something. Very good. Number 18, R-O-D-E. Its homophone would be R-O-A-D. A way between places with a hard surface which cars and buses etc. can drive along. Number 19, principal. P-R-I-N-C-I-P-A-L. Its homophone has already been discussed in the previous slides. Yes, its homophone is P-R-I-N-I-P-L-E. That means a belief. Very good. Last word is P-E-A-C-E. Its homophone is P-I-E-C-E. That means one of the parts that something is made of. I hope, students, you would have completed all the answers of the exercises which we have discussed now. It will help you a lot in performing in the unit test. Yes. So